Something exciting might finally be coming from GoPro. For a long time, GoPro was the top choice for action lovers and content creators. It was tough, reliable, and could capture amazing footage anywhere. But lately, their new cameras haven't brought anything truly new. Fans have been disappointed, and other brands have started catching up fast. Now, that might be about to change. The upcoming GoPro Hero 14 Black is rumored to bring some big upgrades, and it could be the comeback GoPro really needs. Enter the GoPro Hero 14 Black, the next-gen action camera that's rumored to bring some of the most significant upgrades we've seen in years. If you're planning to buy a new GoPro, it might be worth holding off just a little longer until this upcoming model hits the market. Let's start with the release timeline. If you've been following GoPro for a while, you'll know they have a pretty consistent launch pattern. Historically, new models are unveiled in September, and this year is expected to be no different. According to multiple sources, the GoPro Hero 14 Black will likely launch on September 20th, 2025. Yes, it might feel early to talk about it now, but rumors are already circulating, and for good reason. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is the inclusion of a larger 1-inch sensor, something fans have been asking for. This would be a massive leap for GoPro, which has traditionally relied more on software enhancements rather than significant hardware improvements. A larger sensor means better overall image quality, particularly in low-light conditions, as well as improved dynamic range and detail, thanks to more light being captured. For reference, even the DJI Osmo Action 5 already features a larger sensor than the current GoPro models, giving it an edge in image performance. The Hero 14 Black looks to close that gap and possibly surpass it. No resolution bump, but big visual gains. While we aren't expecting an upgrade in video resolution, it's likely to stick with 5.3K recording. The image clarity and richness should see a big improvement thanks to the new sensor. This is a smart move, as boosting resolution alone doesn't guarantee better video. The quality of each pixel matters more than the quantity. Another long-awaited feature that may finally arrive is a larger edge-to-edge display. This new screen design is expected to include reinforced protection bumps, maintaining the rugged nature of the camera while giving users more space to view and frame their shots. It's a practical change that many have been hoping to see. Additionally, a redesign of physical controls would be a welcome touch. Imagine having dedicated buttons to switch modes or start recording instantly. It could make a big difference, especially in fast-paced situations where every second counts. One of the most frustrating issues with GoPro cameras has been overheating, particularly during longer shoots or high-resolution recording. This could be addressed with the introduction of a new processor, possibly the GP3, which is rumored to offer better performance and improved thermal efficiency. There's even talk of a built-in heatsink for better heat dissipation. Battery life is another area GoPro needs to improve. If the new processor is more power efficient, we can expect some gains in this department. However, GoPro should also consider offering high-capacity battery options for those long travel shoots or outdoor adventures where charging isn't always an option. Despite some recent stagnation, GoPro still remains one of the best choices in the action camera market. But with rising competition from brands like DJI, GoPro needs to prove once again why it's the leader in this space. The Hero 14 Black could be that moment of redemption. Do you think the GoPro Hero 14 Black will reclaim the crown from DJI Osmo Action? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest in tech and camera gear. It's not every day a major player like DJI quietly works on something completely new. DJI's long-rumored 360 camera has finally stepped out of the shadows. And no, this isn't another vague whisper from the rumor mill. This time, we've got actual FCC images, screenshots from the user manual, and enough details to get genuinely excited. The first sign of this project popped up in October, but now, well-known leakers Hakasushi and Igor Bogdanov have surfaced a goldmine of content straight from DJI's FCC filings. These aren't grainy photos either. We're talking sharp testing images that show off a compact design, similar to the GoPro Max, with large, rounded lenses ready for immersive 360-degree capture. Here's where it gets really interesting. Teardown shots reveal the Osmo 360 uses a clever 45-degree mirror trick, just like the Insta360 X3. This mirror redirects light to the sensor, saving space and allowing DJI to fit powerful internals into a sleek body. It's high-tech camera Tetris. The user manual confirms full DJI Mimo app integration. A 1950 mAh battery, same as the Osmo Action 5 Pro. 30-watt USB-C charging. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and both physical and touchscreen controls. There's also support for a range of accessories. But, plot twist, tipster Jasper Ellens says there's no sign of retail movement yet. No prototypes, no reseller chatter. With trade tensions still looming, this camera might be stuck in limbo. Still, this is DJI's clearest signal yet. They're gunning for the 360 space. Now the big question, are they too late? Let's talk about other specs and features. DJI is already a big player in the action camera realm, and with the introduction of 360 cameras, DJI is likely to add an immersive capturing experience to its impressive lineup, according to the newly leaked schematics and renderings. We get a decent idea of what the upcoming action camera from DJI will look like. Also, we have found some more intriguing details about the Osmo 360, which surely seems bad news for the delayed GoPro Max 2. So, in our video today, we will talk about the design, give you an overall idea about the specifications. Our photo rumors shared the first details about the Osmo 360 OMX, along with a detailed illustration of the camera. Later on, Hakushi, who had previously made precise size comparisons of unreleased DJI drones, visualized the camera based on leaked patterns and sketches from the image. We can see the dual-lens design with a compact form factor and could look like the unreleased GoPro Max 2, to give you a more precise idea. Hakushi also shared a size comparison with the Insta360 X4 and current DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The form factor looks quite ideal. Since most of us will be using it on the move, there will be a front-facing display to show what's being captured. You will also find a simple control interface at the front, which appears to be quick settings. The power button remains on one side, as we have seen on regular Osmo action cameras. But seeing the rendered image, I felt like the screen should have been a bit larger for better viewing. Besides, I see no mounting hook from the images, which is a bummer. The magic stick from Insta360 is what makes their 360 camera so exciting. The good thing is that DJI kept the action camera much more compact than most 360 cameras available in the market. However, the schematics also revealed two antennas on both sides, which shows DJI is focused on delivering stable wireless connectivity for seamless file transfer. And also for streaming. Further details about the Osmo 360 were shared by photo rumors as they happened to dig out the FCC listing for the camera. It gives us an idea of when this new 360 camera might hit the market. The Osmo 360 is referred to as the OQ1, and you can see the patent has been filled by SZ-DJI Osmo Technologies. The camera has already been tested within the first week of September. Most importantly, we all know that the FCC listing appears just before the product is about to launch. And since the Osmo 360 has already got the issue date, that means the release date is pretty near. We expect this camera to be released ahead of the holiday shopping season. At the end of November, DJI has produced great quality cameras over the years. Whether it's for their drones or action cameras themselves, we believe this new 360 action camera from DJI will also be a great deal, making the competitors run for their money. Would you prefer a 360 action camera from DJI over Insta360 or GoPro? What features do you expect from the Osmo 360? Throw all your thoughts in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.